Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. My fast cooking system has 4 components. That is flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. My cooking system is designed to be practical for the modern lifestyle, and efficiency is the central consideration. Advanced prepping plays a critical role in my cooking system. With advanced prepping, you will have nearly almost every food ingredients available to you when you start to cook. In this video, I would like to demonstrate to you the advanced prepping system for meat and seafood. With this system, you can have any meat that you want on demand. You can have the meat ready from freezer to the wok in less than 10 minutes most of the time. One of my friend Joe has adopted the system. He told me that the system entirely changed the way how he eats. He used to eat a lot of fast and processed foods, and he ate out in restaurants a great deal. With this system, now he cook and eat at home 7 days a week. He said that it's not only healthier for him, but he loves everything that he cooks. So how does this change occur? In this video, I would like to point out some of the main characteristics of this system. And I will show you how to adopt the systems if you are interested. Attribute number 1, ready to cook. I'm going to use Joe as an example to describe how most people would deal with their meat. Normally when Joe purchases his meat, he will either freeze them or he will put them in the refrigerator. So when he's ready to use them, he needs to thaw them out. And then he will need to prep them, cut them to the size that he needs for cooking. So what he's doing now is that every time when he brings the meat back from the supermarket, he will immediately cut them up to the right size, ready for cooking. Usually with a package of 5 pounds of chicken breast, it takes him about maybe 20 minutes to cut them up in advance. So this way, when he's ready to cook, he has them all prepped. Attribute number 2, portion size. Joe told me that he normally eats more meat than he would like to. Because of the portion, he often cooks more than he would want. And now with advanced prepping, he is able to control the size of the portion that he's going to freeze them. So in my case, I freeze all my meat in an 8-ounce portion. And this is just the right size for me because I normally use meat more as a condiment. I'm happy with the portion that I cook for my wife and I, and more importantly, it is better health for me. Attribute number 3, quick thawing. By distributing them into 8-ounce portions, you can freeze them in Ziploc sandwich bags. This will allow you to spread the ingredients into a thin layer. So when you're ready to thaw them out, they thaw very rapidly because of the large surface area. For most meat ingredients, I'm able to thaw them out in less than 10 minutes in a sink of warm water. This will allow you to have meat anytime you want. Attribute number 4, greater varieties. Using this advanced prepping system, Joe is able to prep many different kinds of meat ingredients. This including chicken, beef, pork, as well as seafood ingredients. So for any evening when he is ready to cook, he has quite a few possible choices. By properly labeling the day of preparation, he knows when to use them up. In my case, I have at least 6 to 7 different meat ingredients that I could select from for my dinner. I sometimes might even have 2 meat ingredients, particularly when I have guests for dinner. Attribute number 5, efficiency in storage. Instead of having packages in different sizes, I can store all the meat ingredients in a uniform dimension. This greatly improved the efficiency of storage in the freezer. As shown in this case, I actually store them in the shelf of the freezer in a stand-up position. By labeling the package at the top of the storage bag, I can locate them easily as I were in a file cabinet. So let me summarize these 5 attributes of the advanced prepping system for meat and seafood. Number 1, it is ready to cook. This will make cooking far more efficient. Number 2, portion size, which you can control and set out the amount that you want to cook. Number 3, quick thawing. You can go from the freezer to the wok in less than 10 minutes. Number 4, greater varieties. You can have many different types of meat and seafood ready on hand. Number 5, efficiency in storage. You will take up far less space in your freezer to store different kinds of meat and seafood. For Joe, this method works out really well. Joe really enjoys eating meat, but he also likes eating different kinds of meat over a period of a week. He now has 6 to 7 different kinds of meats that he can choose every time when he walks into the kitchen to cook dinner. Also, since now he uses smaller portion, he can buy very high quality meat. Joe told me that this essentially changed his life. Now every night when he walks into the kitchen, he looks forward to cooking. He knows that all the ingredients will be ready for him in about 10 minutes because he also has done advanced prepping for vegetables. Together, he is able to put a meal on the table in less than 30 minutes for him and his wife. More importantly, he feels good of what he is eating and he is having fun cooking them. Joe told me that this system is transformative for him. This is a huge change because they used to eat fast and processed food and eating out in restaurant 80% of the time. And now they cook and eat at home 90% of the time. And not only their health is better, but they truly enjoy what they eat. I post a video every day to help people to learn about my fast cooking system, which is flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. If you'd like to learn more about my fast cooking system and adopt it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.